How to switch to dark mode on OKX application using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on OKX and want to switch to dark mode for a more comfortable experience, then you can easily follow through these steps. First of all, launch open the OKX app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of OKX, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner from the home screen. Now, go ahead and tap on your username at the top, and this will open up User Center. Go to the Preferences tab at the top, and under Preferences, tap on Appearance. Under Appearance, select Dark to change to dark mode on OKX app. Now you are using dark mode, easier on the eyes and perfect for late night trading. If you ever want to get back to the light mode, you can come back to the same page and click on light, and that's it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.